Before the bathtub goes in, I decided to put in a plywood. That is a 1/2 inch plywood. So when the bathtub does go in, it has a better base. And this is all glued down with construction subfloor adhesive, and then I screwed it down pretty well on the sides and in the middle. The sides about, I don't know, 3 inches apart, and the middle about 8 inches apart everywhere else. So I think that's a good idea, because the old subfloor, that's 1 inch thick, and now I have a 1/2 inch on the top of that, so that's a 1.5 inch subfloor. That's gonna support the bathtub a little while. And once the bathtub is in here, what we're gonna do is actually put a 1/4 inch everywhere to kind of even out the floor, and then put in vinyl planks that are usually probably at least 1/2 inch thick, if not 3/4. So it's still gonna come up farther than this. So the bathtub is here, then you have a 1/4 inch plywood, right, halfway, and then you have the vinyl floor. So it's still gonna cover this up nicely. It's not gonna have a whole lot of difference between that level and the final level here. So anyway, I still have to clean up here, and I realized that this door is left handle, and I might want to change my mind to have a right handle, because how we go into the bathroom from here, here's the window, and here is the switch to turn on the lights. I don't know if it would be better if the door actually opened that way. Main bedroom entrance also would have the same issue, because this is your light switch. I'm coming in, and my door is left handle. That means it opens this way. I'm gonna take a look and see how hard it is to actually make it into a right handle opening, because that would make more sense for both doors actually. I wasn't here to instruct the electrician to tell him which way the door opens. So anyway, that's fine. We just go with the flow. I'm gonna close this window because the birds can come in. Okay, this one is fine because it has the netting. See you next time.